Populist, Steve here with this month's Culture Corner. Just a few announcements for this month. First off, I'd like to introduce a brand new program we've just kicked off. We're calling it the Employee Spotlight Program. This is a very simple, fun, and most importantly, it's a program to spotlight how awesome all of us are. Because that's the thing at the end of the day, as I've said before. We're all very vital, very amazing, very important to Populist. That's why this program is going to be at a random selection from month to month. So if you are selected, I'll simply send you an email and I'll ask for a headshot. You could do a selfie, of course, and I'll ask for you to answer 3 questions from a larger pool of questions. Fun questions, simply designed to get to know you a little bit and to spotlight how awesome you are, right? How cool is that? Once I collect that information, I'll send it off to marketing, who will polish it and publish it to not only our newsletter, but a couple of social media sites. Again, how awesome is this? If you're just interested and want to sign up for it, send me an email at steve@populistcleaning.com. All right? Second of all, as we approach spring, yes, it's time to be thinking about our semi-annual survey. If you haven't heard of this, it's a very brief survey designed to make sure we're capturing your thoughts and opinions on how we're doing, right? So I'm super excited about that, what everybody has to say. So as we approach April, keep an eye out for more information coming at your email. Okay, y'all? That's all I got. I hope you all continue having a great rest of your month. Let's get it. All right.